Hi, this is Zak Mir, editor of Spreadbet Magazine. We'll look at some of the leading emerging markets currencies in the wake of the recent crisis and the recent tumble for leading stock markets around the world. Part of that was probably due to fears over the latest Fed tapering move of $10 billion, but nevertheless, the finger has been pointed at the likes of the Mexican peso. Here we can see a rising trend channel in place on the daily chart since the beginning of last year. The floor of the channel is currently running at the 13 level, just below the 50-day moving average at 1309 shown in blue. We've got a little bull flag here at the moment after extended consolidation since June, and we're looking for the 14 level at the top of the channel to be hit over the next 1 to 2 months. There's also backing in the RSI window, an extended line here from April with the line running through 50 currently. That should provide the momentum for a break to the upside. Moving along to the South African rand. Here, probably an even more pronounced uptrend here. The channel in place since the beginning of last year, heading up quite steeply. Consolidation, but the breakout was through the 1050 level at the beginning of this month, and the rand rushing higher in this situation. There's also an RSI uptrend line here as well, multi-tested over the autumn. That should also propel the cross higher, looking for a 1220 target as soon as the next 4 to 6 weeks, and really only back below the 20-day moving average in the recent flag at 1089 would even begin to delay the demise of the South African currency. Finishing off with the Turkish Lira, and here obviously the panic moving on interest rates from 7.75% to 12% was well documented this week. Seems to stabilize the situation to a limited extent, but as you can see here, the trend here is very, very strong for the dollar. An extended RSI uptrend line as well since the beginning of last year. That's running through 50, and any weakness really towards the 20-day moving average at 222 can be regarded as a buying opportunity, only well below the 2 level and the floor of this channel from June last year would really delay the prospect of a 240 target over the next few weeks, so maybe the end of the next month. So a very, very strong trend here, and really no prospect of any change on this crisis mode. That's it from me. See you again next time.